Hi, good afternoon. My name is Winder Alexander Rivera Reyes. I am 30 years, 2 years old, and the moment I study systems engineer in semester then. I work now in Chuker company where I work as automation test analyst. The character is my favorite movie are Captain America, who with his shield fight the villains in the war that is generated on the planet to prevent Thanos going to eliminate half of the population. Iron Man, who with his robotic suit has power, he travels back in the time and meets his father at Camp Lake in the years 1970. The Ant-Man, who with his suit to reduce his body size, he returns to present time through a time machine. The Hulk, he is a science fiend, the way to convert the time platform to be able to send all the Avengers to look for the games. Thor, who with his hammer hides in a isolate town, and he doesn't want to anything about what is happening. The movie is very good because it has a lot of special effects and it has a unique plot.